This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Today, we'll learn how to use time order words in our writing. Check out what I wrote about my trip to the county fair. I had fun at the fair. I rode the Ferris wheel. I went to the petting zoo. I ate some cotton candy. I could add some time order words to show when things happened, like this. I had fun at the fair yesterday. First, I rode the Ferris wheel. Then, I went to the petting zoo. Finally, I ate some cotton candy. See how those time order words help? This one tells you when I went to the fair. And these three tell you the order I did things in. Let's practice using time order words in a few more sentences. Here's our first example. We need to choose a time order word to complete the text. Tyreek finished his math homework. He will start his science project blank. Which time order word would work best here? Yesterday or later? Let's try yesterday. Tyreek finished his math homework. He will start his science project yesterday. Oh, that doesn't make sense. If he hasn't started his science project yet, he couldn't have worked on it yesterday, so this doesn't work. Let's try later. Tyreek finished his math homework. He will start his science project later. That makes sense because will tells us we're talking about something that will happen later or in the future. Nice. Now, what about this one? The cookies are baking in the oven. Blank, we can eat them. Ooh, yum. It sounds like the cookies aren't ready yet, but they will be in a while. So which word fits best? Then, soon, or now? I don't think then is the best fit. Listen, the cookies are baking in the oven. Then we can eat them. That doesn't work in this sentence. Let's try now. The cookies are baking in the oven. Now we can eat them. Nope. That doesn't make sense. If the cookies are currently in the oven, we can't eat them right now, so that doesn't work. Okay, let's try soon. The cookies are baking in the oven. Soon we can eat them. That works. It tells us that the cookies will be ready in a short amount of time. Awesome. Here's one more. First, the magician pulled a rabbit out of a hat. What trick will he do blank? Oh, fun! These sentences already use one time order word, first. We need to pick one to go here, too. Let's see. What time order word could we use here? Next, today, or finally? I don't think today or finally would work. They wouldn't make sense here. How about next? Let's try it out. First, the magician pulled a rabbit out of a hat. What trick will he do next? Yep, that makes sense. Great. That was fun. The next time you write, remember to use time order words to help your readers understand when things happened.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.